Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your personal brand with Canva and LinkedIn banners. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Canva and sign in to your account. Click on the search bar and type LinkedIn banner. Select the LinkedIn banner template that resonates with your personal brand. Browse through the available templates and choose one that reflects your style. Once the template opens, look at the customizable elements. Start by changing the background color or image to match your brand identity. Click on the background, then use the color palette or upload your own image. Now, add your name prominently at the top of the banner. Select a font that aligns with your brand's tone. You can adjust the text size and position until you're satisfied. Next, include a tagline or a brief description of what you do. Make sure it complements the overall design and is easy to read. Consider adding your social media handles or website link. This adds credibility and gives viewers more ways to connect with you. Now, look for icons or shapes that align with your brand. Use Canva's library to find relevant graphics to enhance your design. Drag and drop these elements where they fit best. Once satisfied with the design, click on the download button. Choose the PNG or JPEG format for high quality. Save the file to your computer. Next, open LinkedIn and sign in to your profile. Click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Select View Profile. Click on the camera icon in the upper right corner of your banner space. Upload the new banner you created with Canva. Adjust the positioning if necessary to ensure it looks just right. Finally, save the changes to your profile. Your LinkedIn banner now reflects your personal brand effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.